peach with a fiery heat. Earth's a lemon, life shining bright. Mars a strawberry, red in the light. Jupiter's a watermelon, big as we see. Saturn's a melon, ring spinning free. Uranus is an orange, tilted just right. Neptune's an apple, windy at night. If Mercury's a chicken, tiny and small, Venus is a goose, the brightest of all. Earth is a dog, lively and round. Mars is a cat with paws on the ground. Jupiter's a whale, the biggest you'll see. Saturn's a horse with a ring so free. Uranus is a bear rolling on through. Neptune's a dolphin swimming so blue. 1, 2, 3. Who likes art? Mercury. Who likes music? Venus. Who likes science?